Here's the thing. People pleasing also breeds compromise. It starts with silence, but it always ends in surrender. You stop correcting sin. You start tolerating what you once rebuked. You stay in environments where the Spirit of God has long departed because you're afraid of losing connections. And before you know it, you've watered down your witness to the point that there's no difference between your life and the world's. That is not love. That is spiritual betray. That is spiritual adultery. True love speaks the truth even when it costs you everything. True compassion confronts sin when eternity is at stake. And true boldness is not measured by how loud you shout in church, but how unshakable you are when the world pressures you to bow. So let us be honest. People pleasing often ends in bitterness. You give and you give, thinking you're serving Christ, but deep down you're hoping to be appreciated. And when they take it, and they take it, and then they still turn on you, your heart grows cold. You start blaming people, but the truth is it was never their fault. It was your refusal to obey God's boundaries. Jesus never burnt out because he never allowed others to control his time, his energy, or his calling. He ministered when the Father said minister. He withdrew when the Father said withdraw. He spoke when the Father said speak, and he said no, even to the ones closest to him, when the Father said no. That is not rudeness. That is obedience. Beloved, this is the hour to renounce people-pleasing in all its forms. You cannot be used by God and controlled by man. You cannot carry the fire of God and still be addicted to applause. You cannot speak with authority while being terrified of rejection. You must choose this day who you will serve, public opinion or the voice of spirit. The time for double-mindedness is over. This generation needs prophetic voices who fear nothing but God and love nothing but truth. You will be misunderstood. You will be called unloving. You will be called a false prophet. You will be rejected. But you will also be free. And that freedom is priceless.